Hey everyone, this is Dr. Bridget Lervick with Grandview Center for Dentistry. And with everything going on with coronavirus, our office is currently seeing emergencies only. So first of all, if you have a dental emergency, please let us know if there's anything we can do to help. But second of all, that has me missing dentistry. And so because of that, I decided to start something called Tooth Talk Tuesdays. So every Tuesday, I'm going to jump on a Facebook Live to just chat about different topics in dentistry. And so if there are any questions you have, any topics you're curious about, please reach out to us on social media. You can send us a message on Facebook or Instagram, or you can always call our office at 952-746-0225. But happy to help in any way we can. So the first topic I would like to cover is a question that as a parent and as a dentist I get all the time. And that is, how do I get my toddler or preschooler to brush their teeth? So this is a struggle that I have had. I know this very well. I have a 3-year-old and a newborn, and my daughter Hannah, who is now 3, is a good toothbrusher, but she was not always a good toothbrusher. So one thing we started was probably somewhere between 18 months and 2 years. We kind of started with these tips that I'm going to give you. And if you are later than that, don't worry, just kind of start where you are, but hopefully these are things that can help you lay the foundation to making brushing go very well for your kiddos. So the first tip I'm going to share, well, 2 tips really, but the biggest takeaway is trying to make brushing fun, trying to make it a game. So the first thing we always do is I always race Hannah to the bathroom. So I say, okay, I'm going to beat you to the bathroom, and that kind of, starts to let her know, hey, it's time to brush teeth, but we always make it a race. She always wins. And so the second thing that we do once we get in the bathroom to know, like, hey, it's toothbrushing time now, is to gamify it in some way. And so I started doing this when she was little, again, between probably 18 months and 2 years. Before that, I would just kind of brush her teeth out in the living room. But then once we started getting into the bathroom, this is what I would do, is just kind of make a game of it. So the first thing is kind of introducing the concept of sugar bugs. So I would say, hey, Hannah, the things that we eat and drink have little sugar bugs in them, and those sugar bugs sit on our teeth, and if they sit there too long, they can cause cavities. So we need to brush them away. So really even just introducing those concepts in kid-friendly terms, so that they start to put 2 and 2 together, because that talking about sugar bugs, I think, is the key that kind of helped her click that, oh, this is important. So next is that the sugar bugs were, usually we would make them into something. So when she was really little, it was colors or numbers or letters or shapes. Now it's usually characters, so it's somebody from Paw Patrol or it's somebody from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. So how that looks is, okay, Hannah, I'm going to brush your teeth now. Open really big. We're going to get the sugar bugs. And I start brushing and I say, look, there's a green square. Oh, I see that green square sugar bug. Oh, hurry up. It's going to get away. Open big. Oh, I see a purple heart way in the back. Oh, open even bigger. Or I'll say, oh, there's a green diamond over there. Open, I have to get that one. Oh no, it's getting away. So something like that, just to kind of get your kiddo engaged, so that they're opening a little longer. It really just helps to buy you some time. And then it makes brushing fun. And so, like I said, now it's, Rocky and Rubble and Sky from Paw Patrol. So try it out. If it's something that can work for you, great. A couple other things, if that's not your kid's thing, you could play their favorite song. You could get a timer so they have something visually to look at. There are some apps out there. There's the Crest, I think it's Crest Magic Timer app, where it actually kind of, as you brush, as time goes on, it reveals a picture. So that can be kind of a fun thing. But biggest thing to help toddlers and preschoolers help brush is make a game of it somehow. But I feel like, making sugar bugs into something and brushing them away has been great for us. So hopefully it works for you. So yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I would love to answer any questions you have about that. Or like I said, we're going to be doing Tooth Talk Tuesdays from here on out. So if there's another question or concept you want me to cover in dentistry, I would love to hear from you. And until then, happy brushing. Okay, bye everyone.